Thinking about installing solar panels at home? Everyone promises savings, but what is the real calculation behind those numbers? We're diving deep into the factors that truly determine how much money you save by going solar, looking beyond just your monthly bill. The promise of saving money with solar panels is exciting, offering a pathway to energy independence and a greener footprint. To understand your true savings, you need to look past basic utility bill reduction and factor in the initial costs, incentives, and long-term production metrics. Let's start with the biggest hurdle, the initial investment and upfront costs. The total cost is heavily influenced by the equipment quality and the installer's labor. Costs are typically quoted per watt, usually averaging between $2 and $5. Don't forget to factor in the price for permits, inspections, and the complexity of your roof installation, which adds to the total labor costs. The good news is that there are significant financial offsets available to reduce those upfront costs. The Federal Investment Tax Credit, or ITC, allows you to claim a significant percentage of your solar installation cost as a deduction on your federal taxes. Many states and local municipalities offer additional rebates, and some even have SREC programs where you can sell renewable energy credits generated by your system. Now let's talk about the energy your new system will actually produce. Calculating your annual kilowatt-hour production is key. This depends on your system size, roof orientation, and local sunlight levels. Net metering allows you to send excess power back to the grid for credits, essentially running your meter backwards and minimizing your electricity expenses. The true benefit of solar comes over the long term, impacting more than just your monthly bill. The most visible savings are the reduced or eliminated monthly utility bills, which can add up to tens of thousands of dollars over the system's lifespan. Solar acts as a hedge against energy inflation. As utility rates rise over time, your solar power locks in predictable energy costs, increasing your long-term savings. Understanding your return on investment is crucial for evaluating the decision. The payback period is the time it takes for your cumulative energy savings and incentives to equal the initial investment. This varies widely, but typically ranges from 5 to 10 years. A significant, often overlooked benefit is the increase in home value. Studies show homes with owned solar systems sell faster and at a premium. So what's the final verdict on solar savings? Your final savings depend on initial system cost, available incentives, local electricity rates, and your actual energy production. All of these factors need to be included in your calculation. Is solar right for you? It's highly recommended to consult with a few professional solar installers who can provide a detailed and personalized cost-benefit analysis for your specific home.